Hi there, and welcome to week 10 of our semester. It's hard to believe we're already 2/3 of the way through things. Today I'm going to try to keep this video short and sweet. I'm recording from home, which often has some issues with uploading in a timely fashion, so I'm going to do a quick overview and let you get on your way. We're moving fully into the gender and society topic, of course. Last week you started doing some reading and you did a personal reflection, and I really enjoyed reading these. I just think I always get sometimes I end up with groups of people and people start, young people today, and all this scornful stuff. And one of my major points of defense for young people today is just how more self-aware and kind and considerate you are of other people from different backgrounds, be it issues of race, gender, class, all these things. And so that was truly reflected in your reflections last week. You can see a preview of those here in our thing, the gender role reflections from week 9 in the prep section of this week's class. Just a quote, I asked you all to highlight something from your response, and I've included those here for you to respond. But of course, this week you'll have the chance to really participate more fully in the analytical response and hear from others and your ideas on the reading about this topic. We're gearing up for that. This obviously will be the topic of your next essay, and so that will be your proposals due next week for the essays. I am still going through and having some follow-up conferences. If you want to meet with me this week or next week for a revision conference, and this could be a revision of essay number 1 or number 2. If you've made significant changes since we first talked about it in a conference and would like to share with me again and submit a progress report in a conference and get additional feedback, this is a chance to do so. I originally had a glitch with the link. I'm seeming to have a little issue with flipping these switches and turning things on and off, trying to be a little bit more careful about it, but thanks to Brenna for bringing it to my attention. The link is up and available. You actually can sign up for that conference. The bottom link here in week 10, or it's in week 9 too. I have some spaces available for later this week and the first of next week. So would love to hear from you on that. This week we're going to be doing something a little bit different for the Writer's Toolbox, and you'll be watching a video before. It's an oldie but a goodie. I recorded it a few semesters ago, but nothing much has changed about my thoughts on introductions in that time, so I've just shared that same video with you, and it's here in your prep section. You're going to be watching the video, and you're going to choose essay number 1 or 2 to revise the intro. And when you post to the activity for the Writer's Toolbox, you'll actually share your original intro and your revised intro. And then folks will comment and give you additional feedback on those introductions. So a little chance to do some focused revision and make some changes to that. The other things this week, we have our analytical response, of course. Grading is all up to date except for the self-analysis of the research collections from Unit 2, and I'll get that going later in the week and get you caught up there too. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will look forward to seeing everyone on Moodle this week. Bye-bye.